Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Stretching along the north bank of the Thompson River, the North Shore is one of the most diverse and historically rich areas of Kamloops. With a mix of residential neighborhoods, local businesses, and cultural landmarks, this part of the city has long served as a hub of daily life and activity. Its proximity to the river and to the original town site has made it an important area in the story of Kamloops' growth and development. Throughout the 20th century, the North Shore evolved into a vibrant and self-sufficient part of Kamloops. Commercial corridors such as Tranquil Road became central to local life, offering shops, services, and gathering spaces for residents. The natural setting continues to play a major role in defining the North Shore. The Thompson River runs alongside the neighborhood, while nearby parks and green spaces provide access to walking trails and outdoor recreation. The surrounding hills and semi-arid climate give the area its distinctive look, with open landscapes and wide skies that are characteristic of British Columbia's interior. Today, the North Shore remains an essential part of Kamloops, balancing its historical roots with ongoing renewal and growth. From its early days as a center of trade and industry to its present role as a dynamic urban community, the neighborhood reflects the broader story of the city itself. Long before modern development, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The surrounding hills and valleys provided hunting grounds and travel routes, while the nearby rivers supported fishing and trade. The arrival of European fur traders in the early 19th century, including those working for the Hudson's Bay Company, marked the beginning of major changes to the region's way of life. Kamloops itself began to take shape in the early 1800s as a trading post and transportation hub thanks to its strategic location at the confluence of the North and South Thompson Rivers. By the late 1800s, the expansion of the Canadian Pacific Railway transformed the area into a key link between the coast and the interior.
Thank you very much.
This period of growth laid the foundation for the city that would eventually expand into surrounding hillsides. Thank you for joining us on the drive in Kamloops, British Columbia.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!